Hi kids, today's video is about finding unknown angles. You might need paper and pencil to help you when you need to decipher the angles. All right, review time. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays or lines meet. The amount of space within two lines is an angle, and it's measured in degrees. Can you recall the three types of angles? You have an acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. You have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. And you have an obtuse angle, which is larger than 90 degrees. And then the bonus would be a straight angle, which goes straight across and has no bends or curves, and it equals 180 degrees. If you've ever used a protractor, the bottom of the protractor would be a straight angle, and it measures 180 degrees. If you think about acute angle, it's less than 90 degrees, and I've always told kids, it's a cute little angle. It's small. A right angle is always right. It's always the corner of a square. An obtuse angle, which is larger than the 90 degrees, I tell kids to think of obese or fat. An obtuse angle is a fat angle. It's larger than 90 degrees. Now, time to put on your thinking caps. How do you think you would find the measurements for angle A, B, C? Well, if you look, you have 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and 30 degrees. So, the measurement of the whole angle is equal to the sum of its parts. So, we would look at the angle, and we put them together. So angle ABC would be 50 plus 60 plus 30. So when you add those three numbers together, you would get 140 degrees. So angle ABC would be 140 degrees. And if you think about what type of angle that is, it's larger than 90 degrees, it's less than 180. So it is an obtuse angle. So remember, the measurement of the whole angle is equal to the sum of its parts. Now, tighten those thinking caps up just a little bit more. How do you think you would find the missing angle measurement? Well, you would look at your angle, and the angle on the left is 70 degrees. The angle on the right is 70 degrees. So 70 plus 70 equals 140 degrees. That's step one. Remember that the straight angle is 180 degrees. So you would take 180, you would subtract 140, and that equals 40 degrees. So the answer to x equals 40 degrees. Okay, let's look at some practice. We'll do this one together. Figure out the angle measurement. Remember, all right angles are always 90 degrees. So this entire angle is 90 degrees. Then step two is look at your known angle from the total angle measurement. Your known angle is 45. So you would subtract 45 from 90. And that would equal 45 degrees. So angle X equals 45 degrees. Then you can turn around and check yourself by adding 45 plus 45 equals 90. All right, pause the video. Try to solve practice time 2 for angle ABC. Angle ABC measures 30 degrees. Solve for the value of X. Pause the video, solve for X, and once you have that solved, start your video again and check your work. So, let's see how you did. As we said, angle ABC equals 30 degrees. We know that one angle is 15 degrees. So 30 minus 15 equals 15 degrees. So the answer is x equals 15 degrees. If we turn around and add 15 plus 15, it would equal 30. All right, practice time 3. Look at angle BMZ. This angle measures 153 degrees. Pause the video and find the value for x. And we know that one angle is 50 degrees. Pause your video, solve your problem, start your video again, and check for your answer. Okay, let's see how you did. Well, we know that's 150 degrees minus 50 equals 103. So x equals 103 degrees, and that angle would be an obtuse angle. Okay, here's practice time 4. Pause your video, see if you can figure this one out. We didn't give you the total amount, but you should be able to remember your straight angle and solve for the missing angle. Pause your video, solve your problem, start the video again, and check your work. So, let's see how you solved it. Step 1 is to take the two known angles and add them together. 97 plus 42 equals 139 degrees. Now step 2 is, we know that the straight angle is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 139 equals 41 degrees. So the missing angle x equals 41 degrees. Now here's just a few little fun quick checks. Thumbs up is true, thumbs down is false. Is the value of the missing angle true, or is it false? So just jot down on your paper whether you believe it's true or false. If angle TYZ measures 50 degrees, the angle of x is 40 degrees. Do you think that's true, or do you think it's false? Pause your video and solve. Choose your answer. Start your video again. Okay, once you've started your video again, 50 minus 25 equals 25. So angle x is 25 degrees, not 40 degrees. So the correct answer was false. All right. If angle JKL measures 90 degrees, the angle of x is 45 degrees. Pause the video, solve for x, start again, and check your answer. All right, now that you've solved, let's look at it. 90 degrees minus 45 degrees equals 45 degrees. So yes, this is true. X does equal 45 degrees. If angle QRS measures 40 degrees, the angle of x is 12 degrees. Pause the video, solve for x, start the video again, and check your answer. Okay, now that you've solved, let's check your answer. The total angle is 40 degrees. You subtract 28 from 40, and the answer is 12. So x equals 12. So yes, true. X does equal 12 degrees. If angle DEF measures 90 degrees, the value of x is 75 degrees. Pause the video, solve for x, start the video again, and see if you were correct, whether it were true or false. Okay, now that you've solved, let's look at it. 90 degrees, because it's a right angle, minus 30 degrees equals 60 degrees. So X equals 60 degrees. So this statement is false. X does not equal 75 degrees. X equals 60 degrees. All right, let's look at the missing angle, mystery 1. Katie combined 2 acute angles together to make a right angle. One angle measured 32 degrees. What was the measurement of the mystery angle? Pause your video, solve for your answer, then start your video again, and we'll check it. Okay. Katie combined 2 acute angles together to make a right angle. One measurement was 32 degrees. What was the measurement of the mystery angle? So 90 minus 32 equals N. So N would be 58. So angle X is 58 degrees. How'd you do? Let's try another one. Missing angle, mystery 2. Sean combined 3 angles together to create a straight angle. One angle measured 22 degrees and another angle measured 68 degrees. What was the measurement of the mystery angle? Pause, solve for your answer, and then start your video again, and let's check your answer. All right, so let's look at the steps. One angle was 22 degrees and another angle was 68. You would first add those two together. $68 plus 22 equals 90. Then you would subtract that from 180. 180 minus 90 equals N. So N equals 90. So you've had lots of practice with solving for the missing angles. Have a great day.